today I'll be doing I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Hope you enjoy it. Well, you done tell me that I felt it, trying to be chill, but just so hot that I melted, fell back through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. But before I pull her out, I'll be giving my best. Nothing can stop me better than intervention. Cooking it to get my turn. To win someone hurts so that I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and tell you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music at the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's our conversation about the love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Scooch on over close and dear, and I will never leave you. Spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror, standing over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath lined up the glance, so I drew your face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the season. That's what we